The heart remembers. Borders can change maps, but they can't erase memories. In the quiet corners of homes, old letters are still read. Faded photographs are still held close. Songs from another time are still hummed. Across Pakistan, families remember streets they once walked, neighbors they once shared meals with, and festivals they once celebrated together. Some memories bring smiles, others bring tears. All keep the past alive, because the heart is not bound by lines on a map. It keeps what it loves, always. And in every story told to a child, every recipe cooked the old way, and every song sung softly at night, the heart whispers, "I still remember."